Let's check out what is new at Walmart in the dresses. I'm just going to quickly look online and then let's head to the store and see how some of these dresses look on and if they have them in my size, an extra large. Now this dress, I didn't realize until I got in the fitting room that it was a 2X. I made the rookie mistake of just looking at the hanger and not the actual tag, which I should know better. Now some of the colors is limited stock on this one. Now some people were saying that it wasn't plus size friendly, so I don't know. This one, I'm not sure. I'm on the fence about this one, but I had so much fun twirling in it. I figure that I will always spin in the dresses because I feel like it gives you an idea of how loose it is, how relaxed it is. Most of the dresses from Walmart does have an elastic waist or adjustable waist, and this one definitely had plenty of room. Now, one of the complaints was that it was too short. I am about 5'5", just to give you an idea, and I wear a size extra large. My pants is size 16, 18, and my bra size, just to give you an idea, is 38 triple D. Most of the dresses are unlined, or I will say that they're unlined unless I make note, and most of them have pockets unless I will note that too if they do not have pockets. So just assume that they do if I don't say. And yeah, elastic waist, adjustable. I thought that this one, I liked it actually, and I feel like you could bring this into fall with wearing a blazer or sweater on top of it. All right, this one was not for me. I like that it's button and adjustable. I like that the sleeves are fluttery and not tight. But for me, I feel like I have a short torso, and I think that it just breaks my body up too much because, you know, I have the waist and then there's that first tier. And so I just feel like it makes my hips stick out. The pattern may be a little bit better. They didn't have it in my size to try on, but yeah, for me, this was just, I did not think the best for my body shape. This dress, I really like the pattern and it was comfy. I like the fit. The only complaint that I have with this one is if you live alone, it might be a little challenging to get the tie done in the back. But other than that, it's like a fruit and floral, and yeah, I thought it looked nice. What do you think? Again, this one is another one that you could put a blazer over it or a sweater for the fall. Not that we want to start thinking about that already, though. This did have adjustable, the straps are kind of adjustable. There's 3 different buttons, and I will say I have it on the middle button. The top portion is a little bit bigger than the bottom, So you'll see I would be able to wear this as a strapless, I think, if I wanted to kind of give that fluttery look. I actually kind of liked that a little bit better, but so this one, depending on what your chest size is, I would say, you know, is gonna see how it fits. If you have a larger chest, then I think that it would fit a little bit better. All right, now this one, I wanted to like Free Assembly. I like their clothes, but this one for me, the way it is, I don't know, is anyone else getting Sister Wives vibe here? But I do like that it was elastic and adjustable waist. I like that the sleeves are not tight on the arms. It does have a lot of gathering around the waistline. Now, how I would style this one is get a white tank top underneath, or even you could do red or blue, but white tank top underneath, unzip it a little bit so that shows a pair of sandals, bracelets, kind of zazz it up a little bit. And again, you have the adjustable waist. I do like that the sleeves are not tight on the arms, and I felt like this top fit me better than the other one. Again, you do have the tie in the back, so if you live alone, it might be a little challenging to get that. What was your favorite dress? And if you want to see more and how these compare to what dresses are at Kohl's, check out this video next. Thanks. Bye.